That's right, guys. AirTags are here, man. So let's get right into the unboxing, man. We are super stoked about these AirTags, man. Really, really excited. And you may be asking yourself, like, what is an AirTag and how does it work? So AirTags are Apple's like puck-like tracker, very similar to Tile, but better because it's Apple, you know? These trackers help you find things like your keys. You may attach them to your backpack, to your travel bag. You may even put one on your kid, man. You never know. Kids like to run around a lot. No, so these AirTags will allow you to find stuff through the Find My network. So if you're already using the Apple ecosystem, the Find My network will be able to help you to find this. You can say, hey, you know who, and she'll be able to help you find this, as well as log in to the Find My network to be able to find this. So with that, guys, let's go ahead and unbox this thing, yeah? So we got the nice AirTag here, beautiful design on the outside. And let's go ahead and see what Apple got into us for us today, man. So let's go ahead. Will I get this on the first try? Oh my goodness, guys. Got it on the first try. Shouts out Steph. Shouts out Apple. You know what it is. AirTags in the building, man. Let's go. So in the box right here, we got the AirTag box. Let's put this down for a second. We have some literature. Of course, you guys are going to read this. And then we have the star of the show, man. Let's get into it. AirTag, let's go. I didn't see that on the bottom there, patent pending. All right, guys, so you open it up here, and there it is right there in all her glory. Lady of the hour, AirTag, man. Let's go ahead and open this up. So you just pull this little thing out here, and then you have your AirTag. And so you can see how cool this is, man. It's pretty small. In the back right here, we can take the sticker off, but it's a CR2032 battery. So go ahead and pick those up, man. They got them at the dollar store. I got a 6-pack at IKEA, $342. Let's go, IKEA. So let's go ahead and unwrap this, man. You unwrap it, and then when you pull this, I should be able to connect them, you know? Cool, man. Did you all hear that noise? So I got my handy dandy connecting iPad right here. Let's see if you can see my screen. Shouts out to the lighting crew, which is just myself. So go ahead and hit connect. Let's see how we can do this, man. Get you all some really good lighting here. So we're going to go ahead and hit connect, guys, and see where we're at, you know? And then this one is just going to go on my keys, but you can also customize these to whatever you want. So let's go ahead and put keys. There we go, man. And now it's part of Steph's keys, man. So as soon as this is done setting up, I can have them wrap some other accessories. So we got some super cool accessories right here that we got from the pre-order. And let's see what we got, man. So we got the AirTag keyring, the AirTag loop, as well as this super cool key holder ring from Belkin, okay? I really like this one a lot, man. And more importantly, let's look at the price tag. Oh, you know what? The price tag isn't on here. Oh, man. No worries. $12.95. Let's go, Belkin. Then the rest of the accessories here, 35 bucks for the key ring, and then 29 bucks for the loop that you can throw on your backpack or something like that. Let's show you guys what the key ring look like with the AirTag in it. So let's go ahead and unbox this key ring, you know. Leather key ring for the AirTag by Apple, 35 bucks. Okay, so we're gonna pull this straight open. Just like that, man, super cool. Good job, Apple. Now we're going to try to open this bad boy up. Let's see what we get inside, yo. Am I doing this backwards, man? Everything's coming out backwards. Who knows? So let's see what we got inside. Oh, my goodness, man. I thought they threw on an Apple sticker with this. I got so excited. Like, oh, my goodness. We got the leather key ring. No Apple stickers. Really disappointing. No Apple stickers. Literature that we don't need. But let's take a look at this key ring, man. Really nice design. I like this. Leather. Seems really sturdy. Really nice. Let's go ahead and pull this out. Boom shakalaka. So you just throw this, our AirTag, right in here. And it's a very, very sturdy feel, man. That way if you lose your stuff, like, this is really, really sturdy. I like this, man. Really good leather. Like, this snap, really easy to open, but it doesn't seem like it's gonna open up on its own when you're throwing it around in your pocket, or for our ladies out there throwing it in their purse. Really like this design, man. Shouts out Apple. So open this up. Let's look at the AirTag again, yo. So on our AirTag right here, short little puck design, we can spin this around and we'll see on the inside our CR2032 battery. And again, you can get these I got mine at IKEA. Apple says these batteries should last about a year, so we don't have anything to worry about with that. However, if you do find that this thing runs out, you can get you another one from the dollar store, or from IKEA, or from Kroger, or from any place that sells batteries. Let's go ahead and put this into the Belkin, you know? Now, I've never opened a Belkin product, but let's see. Very simple. Very cool, man. Oh, good job, Belkin. No Belkin stickers? Does Belkin even have stickers? Show me a line in comments below if Belkin has stickers, man. I would really like to know that. So it tells you how to put your AirTag in. You're gonna undo this part, put the AirTag in, put that part in, spin it around, and then put in your keyring. So let's see if it was just that simple, or will I find a way to make it more difficult. Let's see, man. This looks pretty cool. So already I feel like I'm not following the directions. Did I follow the directions? Oh man, that is a secure fit for $13. Man, this fit is secure, bro. Let's see. Oh my goodness, I like this, man. 13 bucks, this is a good deal. The only thing I'm worried about is, like, if it falls. Nope. This is so cool, man, for 13 bucks. Like, this is a really, really secure fit. I like this. Throw this right on your keys. That way, if you lose your keys or anything else, I mean, you'll be set to go. Shouts out Belkin, man. This is a really good pickup for 13 bucks. And it's really, I mean, I'm trying to break this, but this is really secure, man. Shouts out Belkin. Good job. All right, guys. Next, we got the AirTag Loop. I was really excited about this colorway, man. Can you tell that I like orange? Real quick, though, I want to see what Apple labeled this orange. Electric orange. I like that. I'm going to call this high C, though, guys. You know I like to change up the colors. We got Mandarin and high C in the building. Let's go. Let's go ahead and turn this thing up, man. So we're going to open this bad boy up right here. This is a $29 little pickup. This time I know which way to do this, man. Nothing else inside. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, there is something else inside. More literature. Let's go. And then we have this silicone loop that you just pull out, man. Nothing else further inside of there, guys. We don't need to know what's inside. You just open this up. This is a really nice feel, man. This feels extra premium, guys. This feels premium, guys. Let's go ahead and open this up. Throw in our AirTag, man. And just like that, we're set to go. So now if we wanted to go any place, put this on our bag or whatever, it would just hang just like that, man. This is a really good feel. Like, this silicone really goes in, man. Shouts out to Apple and their design team with this. I feel like these AirTags are not going to just be a trend. This is something that you can use daily. I know in my own household, we lose our keys often. So being able to have something like this is really, really cool to help you to find your keys. Now, in the future, will Apple come out with other iterations of this? Will we expect a smaller AirTag? in the future. And will Tile step up their game to come out with something smaller and more intuitive to kind of compete with Apple? So we'll have to wait to see what happens in the future, man. As always, guys, thanks for supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. And this was the quick unboxing and review of AirTag. Appreciate all the love, guys. And until the next video, let's get it.